Hello guys, MacDoa here, and so tonight we're going to do a fire alarm collection. So I have like 38 fire alarms, so I'm going to start off with the other kind of pole stations and that too. So right here we have a Gentex SHG, so I got it for Christmas. Very cool fire alarm. And I got a Wheelock MT424 LSM, so that was from my school. And I have a Johnson Controls BG12L, JBG12L. So that was for my school district in St. Francis, Minnesota. Very cool. It's been here since 2006. All right, so behind my bed, we have a, Grinch. Hate that light. All right, we have a Simplex 4903-9101 with a 2901-938. And then 2901-946. All right, hate when that stupid light turns off on me. All right, so we have a Siemens. That's a Siemens MCS fire alarm and a system sensor mass, Faraday horn, and a system sensor classic, and a 2903 strobe. And we have a 34T Edwards horn, Simplex 4050, and we have a Notifier BG12L, Wheelock AS, and what else we have here? Wheelock MT, Wheelock NS, and Notifier BG10, Wheelock MT again, Edwards horn, Simplex True Alert, system sensor mass, Wheelock RSS, Simplex 9838, Edwards Integrity, Simplex 403 9217, Simplex 4099, and okay, over here we have Edwards 270 SPO, Johnson Controls BG10, Wheelock MT, Wheelock AS, Gentex Commander 2, and a system sensor P2, P4R, I'm not sure that is. All right. Oh, we have a Siemens. Siemens 6234 is a Faraday 6234. So, and I forgot FCI MS2. And behind it is the NBG1. So that just fell off from the wall. So I'm going to put it back up after this video. And let's see, a system sensor. Let's see what the back of it is. SRL. So that means that. So guys, I think that's it with the fire alarms. So since you guys know about this, about BG12, so I'm gonna probably just work on the reset. So I'm gonna do a fire alarm demonstration. So watch this, guys. All right, stay focused. JBG12L. There. Cool, huh? All right. Then we could do a BG12. All right. Hang on a sec, guys. Here we go. And of course, BG10. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna do a Simplex T-bar. You ready for this? All right, watch this. Whoops. Oh, I hate when that happens, guys. All right, we got B key. Test it out, guys. Watch this. It's a 49.904, guys. You guys want to do a fast pull reset? I could do it, right? All right, watch this. And we could do one more. There. Cool, huh? All right, I'm going to set this guy down for a minute. All right. Put this guy back. Okay. So guys, next year on my birthday, probably get more fire alarms. So I don't know what to say, because pretty cool fire alarm collection I got. So I got like 38 of them. So I'm gonna put the NBG1 or NBG8. All right. Oops. There we go. All right. That's right behind it. So, all right, that's that, guys. I think that's it for the video. So, have a good night, guys.